Welcome you all. Today's field experiment is the study of parts of a transit theodolite and its temporary adjustments. Now, first we will go for the parts of a transit theodolite. First, it consists of that is a tripod having a consist of three legs. Three legs. First, this one, first leg, second leg, and third leg. Next, trivet. That is a trivet. That is a plate having a central circular threaded hole. This one will be called as a trivet, central circular threaded hole for fixing the instrument on a tripod stand. Then tripod stand. Then foot screws. It consists of a 3 foot screws for leveling an instruments. This one, and this one. Next, this one will be a tri back. So triangular portion. It consists of a triangular portion for carrying the 3 foot screws. So this triangular portion carries the 3 foot screws. 3 foot screws. That is called tri back anta karitivi. Next, the trivet, foot screw and tri back have combined to form that is called leveling head. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಈ ಟ್ರೈವೆಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಬ್ಯಾಕು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಸೆಂಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಲೆವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ having a lower plate and upper plate. Lower plate having a graduations from 0 to 360 degree and upper plate having a vernier A and B. This is a vernier having a vernier A and vernier B. The lower plate having a lower clamping screw. Lower clamp having a lower clamping screw and lower tangent screw. Then upper plate having a upper clamping screw and upper tangent screw. So by clamping the lower clamp, so you can rotate the so you have to change the reading, change the graduation. Suppose you have to clamp the upper clamp, so, and unclamp the lower one, you have to rotate the instrument. Okay, this is a functions of these two keys, lower clamp and upper clamp screw, and lower tangent and upper tangent screws, that is a for fine adjustments. Okay, this one will be called A frame or index frame. Okay, then this one will be a plate level for taking a horizontal angle. Before taking a horizontal angle, this bubble should be a center of the plate level. This one will be called as a magnifying glass, A frame. This one is the altitude bubble. So for taking a vertical angle, so the bubble should be at the center of the altitude with respect to altitude level. This one will be object glass. Then this one will be called as a eyepiece. This one will be called as a telescope. This only vertical clamping screw. This one will be called as a vertical clamping screw. So you have to clamp it. ಕ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದ, ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅನ್ಕ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಇಟ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ದಿ telescope. Then this will be called as a focusing screw. Then this one will be called as a vertical circle. So vertical circle having a graduations from 0 to 90 degree. It consists of vernier C and one side vernier C and vernier D. This is a parts of the transit theodolite. Next we will go for the temporary adjustments of the transit theodolite. First centering. So you have to make the vertical axis of the instrument exactly over the station, that is a station Q, that is called centering. After, so centering will be done by keeping the two legs. By keeping the two legs, there are three legs, two legs, and moving the one, keeping the two legs constant and moving third one radially. So you have to make the centering should be done. Otherwise you have to keep these two legs. Then rotate this one, until center of the instrument exactly over the station mark. Next, leveling. After completing the centering, and then you will go for the leveling. So leveling means keeping the plate level parallel to 2 foot screws, and rotate these 2 foot screws inward or outward direction until bubble comes to the center. Then turn the telescope, turn the plate level perpendicular to previous 2 foot screws, and rotate the 3rd foot screws inward or outward direction, and repeat the procedure. So you have to repeat the procedure till bubble comes to the center of the plate level. Afterwards, you go for the elimination of the parallax. Elimination of the parallax means that is a parallax, that is focusing the eyepiece. By elimination should be done, that is focusing the eyepiece and focusing an object glass. First one, focusing the eyepiece. Here piece of plain paper is held in front of the object glass, and focusing screw is rotated. So you can rotate the focusing screw. This one will be called focusing screw until crosshairs appears clear and distinct. Afterwards, focusing an eyepiece. So then telescope is directed towards an object, and eyepiece is focusing an object glass. A piece of paper held in front of the object glass, and eyepiece is moved in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction till crosshairs appears clear and distinct. Then focusing an object glass, and telescope is directed towards an object, and focusing screw is rotated in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction until image appears clear and sharp. This is the clear and sharp. Then you will go for the face left. If the vertical circle right side of the observer, that is called face left. With respect to face left, you have to go for taking a reading, that is a face left observation. So this one will be by transiting means turning the telescope in vertical plane about in 180 degree in a horizontal in a vertical plane, that is called transiting. This one will be called as a swinging. So you have to turn the instrument in right side, that is a right swing. Suppose you have to turn the instrument in left side, that is a left swing anta karite. So this is the field experiment of the study of the parts of a transit theodolite and its temporary adjustments. Thank you.